Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are going to talk about being thankful in prayer. We are in a Devo series looking at what does the Bible say about thankfulness. And you might be surprised, it actually says quite a lot in the Old and New Testament. But today we're going to discover that you and I can be thankful in prayer. So listen to today's verse. It's in the book of Colossians, chapter 4, verse 2. Here's what it says. It says, "Devote yourselves to prayer with an alert mind and a thankful heart." Did you know that you can be thankful in prayer? In prayer, right, it's as we talk to God. Prayer is simply talking with God. But it says as we talk with God, we can be watchful, mindful, and thankful. So sometimes our prayers, I don't know if you found yourself in a moment where your prayers are only containing your complaints, or they're only containing requests and things you're asking for. Well, we say that, God, we want you to do this or impact this, and that's all incredibly good and great things to do in prayer. And yet, today's verse tells us to also be thankful in prayer. So have you tried that recently? Have you tried telling God what you're thankful for as you pray? Have you not just asked for something, but also said, I'm going to intentionally choose to thank God for something? So let's do it right now. Truly, as you're listening to this Devo, what's popping up to your mind? Out loud or in your mind, say, God, today I'm thankful for. Go ahead, truly. I'll give you a minute. Tell God something you're thankful for, whether it's as small as the view out your window or as significant as the people that you care deeply for. Let's do this. Let's try to incorporate being thankful into our prayers this week. And let's notice the difference that it might make when we tell God what we're thankful for. We don't just ask Him for something. I think you'll be surprised at the impact. We'll see you next time.